All right, so I'm over here at my dad's house, and he had one of his inventions to show me. He's put a snowblower on the front of a four-wheeler. I'm gonna let him tell you how it all works. So here we go. All right, that's one of the many little things that he's done. Done a lot of cool stuff. I'm going to start showing more of that on the channel, some of the stuff that he's built, he's put together. He's just driving around the lawn, blowing snow. He needs a little more snow at this point, but he's blowing it all off the grass at this point. But yeah, he took the blower came off of a lawnmower, one of the ones attached to the lawnmower, and then he retrofitted the motor to it to make it work. See how I mounted it? Looks like he mounted right to the front control arms right there. A little plate comes through. Little Harbor Freight winch that comes up, hooks right here.
Oh, you want to see that?
Yeah, show it to me.
Okay, it's really hard. Okay, just a minute here. It's really hard to unhook. You have to unhook the winch. There you go. And then you got to pull this pin like that. Then you just kind of, well,
A little bit of tug of war.
there we go.
And away it goes. Yeah, I put a little piece of receiver hitch tubing right in there.
Overloads right here for your front end. You slide right in. Adjustable through this for different snowblower. And then this side plate here that keeps it from going sideways. To hook it back up, you just slide it forward. Put it in neutral. A little more. Okay, you got it. Okay, slide it forward. There we go. Put the pin back in. Come on. There we go. Put that back up. Now. There you go.
Anyway, all right. So it's been a few days since I visited my parents, and I want to give you a little bit more video of my dad with his snowblower. So it's cold outside. They got about 2, 3, 4 inches of snow. There's a couple drifts in the road down here. And so he's on his four-wheeler in front of me. I'm in the car behind me because it's a blistering 15 degrees outside and the wind is blowing. So yeah, so I'm gonna video it from my car driving. I'll hold you out the window here. And so you'll hopefully be able to see how well the blower works. Kind of fun. So he's in front of me right here. Trying to get it all, he's in front of me right here trying to get everything warmed up to go. So we're gonna flip you around. Up to the tow truck here in a minute. Keep this one going. There's the next drift he hit. We better back up. We're getting close to him. off the road there a little bit. Blowing snow or mowing weeds. All right, that gives you a little taste of one of my dad's fun inventions. The other, so I'm gonna try to do more videos like this on the channel because some of the stuff that my dad creates is it's absolutely genius. It's very, very creative, very, very cool. So this backhoe right here, I'll do a future video on this one, but this backhoe right here, he bought really cheap. He ended up having to rebuild the motor in it, and now he's got a nice backhoe, nice, relatively expensive backhoe for pretty cheap. And he made a snowblower for the front of that one. I'll give you another video at another day. I'll do a video on that snowblower. This snowblower here, you saw in a previous video of mine, was on the front of the tracker. And I got another blower over here. This blower right here, they're working on getting fitted to this tractor just so they can blow the road. So this one actually runs off a PTO. So this one isn't anything that's super unusual, but the other ones, they're quite unusual. So where we live, where my parents live anyway, they get a significant amount of snow, and snowplow on the front of the pickup is kind of a joke. You start plowing it like that and you just get berms, and then it gets cold, it gets hard, it doesn't melt. A lot of areas you'll have a melt after a big storm, but here it doesn't really do that. It just keeps accumulating. And so blowing it is the best way. And also if you push up a big berm, when the wind starts blowing, you get a really big drift. All the snow from the field ends up in the middle of your road. So that's why they're doing the blower thing. And my dad has some fun with it. There's many other things that he's done. Let's see. I'm not sure what we're going to be able to do video on. See what he wants to do video on with me. He likes kind of showing off his stuff. He's got a whole bunch of little trinkets in his shop here. Down here is a sawmill that he built. Actually a couple sawmills that he built. Some old logging yarders. Lots of cool stuff that he's really engineered and built over the years, and very, very, very creative, cool stuff. So you'll see a lot more of that on the channel as we're coming up. This video is a little bit interesting because I wasn't really planning on making a video, so you'll have to bear with me through this one. But if you like this stuff, let me know. Comment below, see what you like about it. This is kind of the snowblower extravaganza video, I guess we'll call it. This is the other one that goes on the front of the backhoe. This one deserves a video of its own. So yeah, just give you a small sneak peek of it. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching.